Coming in as number 1 is the New Returner Glass Teapot Tea Kettle. The New Returner Glass Teapot Tea Kettle with stainless steel removable infuser is an excellent addition to any tea lover's kitchen, especially if you enjoy both blooming teas and loose leaf blends. Crafted from high-quality borosilicate glass, it's both microwave and stovetop safe, giving you flexibility to brew directly on the heat source of your choice. The transparent design lets you watch tea leaves and flowers unfurl, enhancing both the visual and sensory experience of tea preparation. Its stainless steel removable infuser makes it easy to brew a wide variety of teas without stray leaves ending up in your cup and ensures effortless cleanup. The teapot's 550 milliliters, 19.3 ounces capacity is ideal for making several cups at a time, perfect for sharing or indulging yourself. Durable, easy to clean, and thoughtfully designed for daily use or as a stylish gift, this teapot not only elevates your brewing ritual, but also adds elegance to your kitchen and tea sessions. Number 2 is the Heffa Towel Hooks. The Heffa Towel Hooks are a smart, practical addition to any kitchen or bathroom, making daily organization effortless. These hooks stand out for their secure grip, holding towels firmly without causing any damage or unsightly tears. And their easy push-in design means no more towels slipping to the floor. Even children can use them with ease. With options for both self-adhesive and screw installation, you can quickly mount them wherever you need, saving valuable counter and drawer space. They're especially useful for compact homes where maximizing space and accessibility is a priority, keeping your hand towels, dish towels, or cleaning cloths always within reach and neatly organized. Their modern minimalist look blends seamlessly with most decor, adding an extra touch of convenience and style to your daily kitchen routine. Number 3 is the Whiskware Pancake Batter Mixer. The Whiskware Pancake Batter Mixer with blender ball wire. Whisk makes whipping up smooth batter for pancakes, waffles, and crepes incredibly fast and easy. Simply add your ingredients, toss in the blender ball, and shake. There's no need for extra mixing bowls, spoons, or messy countertops. Its wide opening makes filling a breeze, while the leak-proof spout and heat-resistant silicone tip allow for perfect, mess-free batter, dispensing directly onto your griddle or pan. Cleanup is just as easy. The mixer can be rinsed with warm, soapy water or popped into the dishwasher. If you want to cut down on prep time and enjoy homemade pancakes without the usual kitchen hassle, this tool is a worthwhile kitchen upgrade. Number 4 is the SEMWM-1 Stainless Steel Oil Filter Pot. The SEMWM-1 Stainless Steel Oil Filter Pot stands out as an essential kitchen tool for anyone who cooks with oil, especially when frying foods. Its large 68-ounce capacity makes it perfect for collecting and reusing cooking oil, bacon grease, or frying fats, reducing waste and saving money. The integrated fine mesh strainer effectively separates food debris from used oil, ensuring you always have clean oil for your next dish. Made from high-quality 304 stainless steel, this pot is both rust-resistant and durable, offering long-lasting performance even with daily use. Its multifunctional design, with a secure lid, ergonomic handle, drip-free spout, and deep fryer basket, makes it ideal not only for filtering and storing oil, but also for small batch frying and camping. The pot is easy to clean and helps keep your kitchen organized and mess-free, simplifying oil management while promoting sustainability in your cooking routine. Number 5 is the Karat 19 Pieces Pots and Pans Set. The Karat 19-piece Pots and Pans Set is an excellent investment for anyone seeking a versatile, space-saving cookware solution that doesn't compromise on quality or performance. Its non-stick surface ensures effortless food release and easy cleaning, even when cooking delicate dishes. The standout feature is the detachable handle, which allows all pots and pans to nest together for ultra-compact storage, ideal for small kitchens, RVs, or those who value an organized space. Each piece is oven and fridge safe, expanding your options from stovetop searing to oven finishing or storing leftovers without switching containers. This set also works flawlessly with induction and all other stovetops, so it's ready to adapt to your cooking preferences and lifestyle, making meal prep, storage, and cleanup much simpler and more efficient. Number 6 is the Crock-Pot Portable Electric Lunchbox. The Crock-Pot Portable Electric Lunchbox 20-ounce food warmer in Moonshine Green is a convenient, stylish solution for enjoying warm, homemade meals on the go. Its 20-ounce capacity is perfect for personal portions like leftovers, soups, or stews. The lunchbox features a spill-proof tight-sealing lid that prevents messes during travel, while the detachable power cord makes storage and transport clutter-free. It heats food evenly and keeps it warm consistently, eliminating cold spots common with microwaves. With a soft-touch exterior for comfortable handling and dishwasher-safe inner container and lid, cleanup is effortless. This portable electric warmer is ideal for commuting, travel, or anywhere you want a hot meal without relying on external heating sources, making it a practical.
At number 7, we have the LifeWit Silverware Drawer Organizer. This highly practical, expandable utensil tray is designed to bring order to cluttered kitchen drawers. With its adjustable width, it fits a wide variety of drawer sizes perfectly. Multiple compartments keep your forks, spoons, knives, and larger utensils neatly separated and easy to access. The groove design helps make everyday flatware easier to reach, while the compartments keep items visibly organized. Made from sturdy BPA-free plastic, it is durable, easy to wipe clean, and features non-slip pads for secure placement. It's an excellent space-saving solution for any kitchen. Expandable design, multiple slots, and a non-slip base turn messy drawers into organized storage.
At number 8, we have the Yaramate Oil Sprayer. The Yaramate 16 Oz. 470 millimillicard 2-in-1 oil sprayer is a versatile kitchen tool that combines fine mist spraying and pouring functions in one bottle. Ideal for air fryers, grilling, roasting, salads, and everyday cooking, it helps control oil usage for healthier meals. The dark green light-blocking glass protects oils from sunlight degradation, while the food-grade materials ensure safety. Each spray delivers a precise amount, around 0.2 G, and the wide mouth makes refilling easy. Stickers are often included for labeling. It is a popular, budget-friendly upgrade that reduces waste and mess compared to traditional oil bottles. Its strengths are excellent portion control and healthier cooking, attractive oil protection, easy cleaning and refilling, and great value with multi-purpose use. The main drawbacks are that thicker oils can occasionally clog the spray mechanism. The glass is breakable if dropped, and some users report inconsistent spray after heavy use.
At number 9, we have the Paulsway Honey Dispenser Jar with 2 dippers. This 9-ounce glass honey pot combines a decorative beehive shape with practical everyday serving. The wide mouth makes scooping simple, while the lid helps keep honey fresh. 2 wooden dippers are included for convenient serving. Its no-drip design helps keep serving cleaner, whether you drizzle honey into tea or over your favorite breakfast. Use it over pancakes, yogurt, desserts, or tea. It also works well for maple syrup and other sticky liquids. The pros are its elegant look, practical dual dipper setup, useful capacity, and easy-to-clean glass with hand washing recommended. The cons: glass can break if mishandled, the dippers may need replacement with heavy use, and the jar is not for large quantities. Overall, it is a stylish, practical choice for mess-free everyday serving. Just handle the glass carefully.
At number 10, we have the Guradar 40 O's 1200 ml glass pumpkin teapot. Its clear, ribbed borosilicate glass body gives the teapot a distinctive pumpkin-inspired shape. The removable infuser supports loose leaf, blooming, and bagged teas, while the clear glass makes brewing easy to see. At 40 ounces or 1,200 milliliters, it serves approximately 3 to 4 people with an elegant presentation. It also suits other hot beverages, with even heating and heat retention helped by the lid. The removable parts and open glass design also make cleanup straightforward after serving. Just handle the glass carefully, and remember, direct high heat or an open flame is not suitable in every situation.
At number 11, we have the LQZ Cold Press Juicer. This slow masticating juicer is built for daily fresh juice, with a powerful 350-watt motor and a design focused on efficient, nutrient-conscious extraction. Its approximately 5.3 to 5.4-inch feed chute accepts whole fruits and vegetables, helping reduce cutting and preparation time. Running at roughly 50 to 55 RPM, its multi-stage extrusion is designed to extract high yields, with the supplied material stating up to 99%. The slow process creates less oxidation and foam than centrifugal juicing, helping preserve flavor, enzymes, and nutrients while producing a smoother drink. A dual-layer filter helps create smooth juice, while the quiet, efficient operation suits people who want fresh results without the aggressive feel of a centrifugal machine. The blade-less design, safety lid lock, and operation only when securely closed make it a user-friendly choice for routine kitchen use. Assembly is relatively straightforward. Set up the bowl, insert the auger and filter, then secure the feeding container before operation. With only a few parts and an included cleaning brush, disassembly and cleanup are relatively easy, especially after pressing and holding reverse for maintenance. The trade-offs are real. It is slower than a centrifugal juicer, may feel bulky in a small kitchen, and some parts have mixed long-term durability feedback. Overall, it is a capable number 11 pick for nutrient-focused daily juicing.
At number 12, we have the 7-Code Large Dish Drying Rack. It turns a crowded countertop into a more organized drying station. This is a spacious, practical countertop organizer that maximizes drying capacity without taking excessive space. Its detachable 2-tier design separates dishes by type, accommodating plates, bowls, pots, mugs, and everyday cutlery. The included cup rack keeps glasses elevated, while the utensil holder gives cutlery its own easy-to-reach place. The auto drain board catches runoff beneath the rack, guiding water away from dishes instead of letting it pool on the counter. The 360-degree swivel spout lets you direct drainage toward the sink, helping keep the countertop dry, clean, and less prone to mold. In daily use, the large capacity feels especially helpful in busy kitchens, where separating clean dishes makes the whole counter easier to manage. The rust-resistant metal construction feels sturdy, and tool-free assembly keeps setup straightforward once the pieces are aligned. The main pros are large capacity in a relatively compact footprint, cleaner counters, sturdy construction, easy setup, and strong everyday practicality. The trade-offs are worth noting. Assembly can feel slightly fiddly, the finish may feel less premium than stainless steel brands, and it still uses counter space. Even with those limitations, the efficient layout makes a noticeable difference when your sink area needs order without giving up useful drying capacity. For busy kitchens, this rack is a practical organizer with useful drainage, flexible storage, and easy maintenance, provided its footprint and assembly style work for you.
At number 13, we have the rolling grilling baskets. Instead of watching small pieces fall through the grates, load them into the basket, close the latch, and place it directly on the grill. The supply design uses food-grade 304 stainless steel mesh, built to contain the food while smoke and heat circulate around it. Its cylindrical form lets you roll the basket across the grill, helping smaller ingredients cook from multiple sides with less manual flipping. They are especially useful for vegetables, seafood, sausage, cubed meat, and other smaller foods that are difficult to manage on open grates. Depending on the set, extras may include forks, hooks, skewers, brushes, or an oil sprayer for a more organized outdoor cooking setup. The supplied reference shows 2 compact sizes, and many baskets are sold as pairs, making it easier to prepare different foods at the same time. That makes them a practical option for backyard BBQs, camping grills, and anyone who wants smaller ingredients contained and easier to handle. Cleanup is another advantage. The baskets are easy to wash, and the supplied reference shows both hand washing and dishwasher use. The trade-offs are simple. Hot latches may feel stiff, handles need careful storage, and the baskets are not designed for very large pieces. For smaller foods, they offer a cleaner, easier grilling routine.
At number 14, we have the electric salt and pepper grinder set. Here is what makes this upgrade useful, and what to consider before buying. This is an electric salt and pepper grinder set for home cooks and grillers who want fresh seasoning without using both hands. One-handed operation is the headline feature. Press the button, season directly over the food, and keep your other hand free. The built-in LED light helps you see exactly where the seasoning lands, especially in a dim kitchen or during outdoor cooking. Its adjustable coarseness dial offers 5 visible levels, letting you move from fine seasoning to a more textured grind for different dishes. The transparent chambers make remaining salt or pepper easy to check, while the wide opening makes refilling straightforward. The set includes 2 grinders, a shared charging and storage base, a USB charging cable, and a cleaning brush. Power details depend on the model configuration. The main advantages are effortless operation, visible capacity, useful illumination, adjustable texture, and consistent fresh ground seasoning. Its coordinated bronze finish and presentation box also make it a practical kitchen gift for someone who enjoys cooking. The trade-offs are worth noting. Batteries may not be included, some models can be noisy or have shorter battery life, and ceramic mechanisms may wear under very heavy long-term use. Overall, this set is best for cooks who value convenient one-handed control, adjustable grinding, and easy visibility over the simplicity of a manual mill. At number 15, we have the Home Kitchen Magnetic Knife Block. It brings modern, space-saving knife storage to the countertop without hiding your tools away. Strong double-sided magnets run through the block, creating a secure hold on both faces. It typically holds 10 to 14 knives and kitchen tools of various sizes, keeping them visible and ready. Access is effortless. Take the knife you need, then return it directly to the magnetic surface. Because the blades are displayed instead of rubbing against a slot, the open design helps protect their edges. The shown dimensions are 12 inches wide, 10 inches tall, and 4 inches deep at the base. Its weighted, non-slip base is designed for a stable surface, while the open format allows air circulation and helps prevent moisture buildup. Available construction details include wood, such as acacia or walnut, or stainless steel, with an attractive, easy-to-clean design. For best results, place it securely and use care with extremely heavy cleavers, which may be less suitable for magnetic storage. Secure, accessible, and space-saving, the Home Kitchen Magnetic Knife Block turns everyday storage into a clean countertop display.